So we're computing with scientific notation, and we're going to start with multiplication. Multiplication is so nice because we can use commutative and associative property to shift things around, so we can use things we know to help us simplify this problem. So let's check it out. Let's go and use commutative property to shift around things. The 2.3 and the 6.1. We're going to put them together. So we're moving them and we're then grouping them. And we're then going to move the powers and grouping the powers because that will eventually allow us to use our laws of exponents to simplify. And so now we just have to go on to step 2. We need to go on to step 2 and multiply the non-power factors. So we're going to do 2.3 times 6.1. We're going to multiply them, we get 23 because 1 times 3 and 1 times 2, and then for placeholder, we get 18, 1. There we go. We're going to add those up. 3, 0. And we have 2 decimal places in there, so 14.03. So right here we get 14.03, and we're just going to bring this down for now. All right, next step. Just look at used to this new program. All right, next step is 3. Use powers property to multiply the powers of 10. So we're just going to bring this down, and now we're going to multiply these. Well, we know that we keep the base and we add the exponents, so we're going to do 7 plus 6 and get 13. Now, the final step is to check our answer. All right, we have to write it in scientific notation, so we have to check to see if that first number here is between 1 and 10. It's not, so we have to make an adjustment. We know that if we move the decimal this way, all right, we're making that smaller, basically by a power of 10. So we have to adjust. We move this and make that smaller by a power of 10. We have to make this bigger by a power of 10 to account for it. So that becomes 1.403 times 10 to the 14. There we have it. And that is an example of multiplying scientific notation.